Major controversy has erupted over a BJP leader's comment. BJP's National Kisan Morcha President O.P. Dhankar has said that the party would get girls from Bihar to ensure that all men in Haryana get married. Dhankar had made the comment at a speech on Friday while addressing the Kisan Mahasammelan in Nirvana. We have Manaman Cheena joining us live for more on the story. Manaman, it's a downright sexist comment that appears to insinuate that women have no say in matters of marriage. But I want to understand better in what context was O.P. Dhankar speaking and how is it really being perceived in his area?
Well, it is quite well known that the sex ratio in Haryana is pretty skewed. There are not enough women available for young men to marry, and this is because of their own doing in this state. The female feticide is a big issue in the state. There are not many takers for girl childs in states like Haryana, and which is why there are many villages in the state where people are not finding enough brides to get married, and this has become a sort of a poll issue. And this was articulated by this BJP leader O.P. Dhankar, who is head of the farmers wing of the BJP, and he has made a promise that he will get brides. It is well known, Aviral, that people in Haryana, youngsters, are forced to buy brides from states like Jharkhand, Bihar, and even places far off as Assam. And he has just articulated a problem which is existing on the ground. But for a politician to make such a promise as a poll stop is something which is very shocking.
Absolutely. And he may have enunciated what is ground reality for Haryana, Manaman, but leaders in Bihar are certainly not taking very kindly to it. We listen to what Ali Anwar of the JDU had to say.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मजबूत करने का मतलब है उन कुंवारों को दुल्हन मिलना जिनको इन राज्यों में नहीं मिली, जो घूम रहे हैं ऐसे एक गांव में 150 से 150 200 लड़के जो दुल्हनों से वंचित हैं। और मैं तो ये भी कह रहा था जब मैं अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र में घूम रहा था, हर गांव में बता रहे थे बिहार से ला रहे हैं जी, वहां से ला रहे हैं। मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, इस दिक्कत को भी ठीक करेंगे। सुशील मोदी भी मेरा यार है, रिश्ते कराएंगे तो ढंग से कराएंगे, वैसे लेना देना छुड़वा देंगे।
देखिए, बहुत आपत्तिजनक है और ये पूरे बिहार का अपमान है और बिहार का ही क्यों, नारी जाति का अपमान है। और इस तरह का माने जहरीला वक्तव्य इन्होंने दिया है, ये इनके खिलाफ नारी उत्पीड़न का मामला दर्ज करके, विद्वेष फैलाने का मामला दर्ज करके इनको फौरन गिरफ्तार होना चाहिए।
There is a patriarchal mindset and gender equality, giving equal status to our women, treating women with dignity. These continue to remain as issues in India. These need to be addressed. The political parties will have to cultivate, educate their leaders, their cadres on these matters.
Now, Manaman, we're observing the stereotypical political outrage across party lines. We also understand that the Purvanchal Ekta Manch held a press conference on Saturday and they've threatened a statewide agitation if O.P. Dhankar does not tender a public apology. Does it look like that's going to happen?
Well, that is for us to wait and see, because as of now it does not really feel as if Mr. Dhankar or the BJP leadership in the state are going to apologize. But this issue is definitely going to snowball into something big because of the approaching assembly elections in the state. We are yet to get reactions from the Congress, the principal the party which is opposing BJP in the state, and the Indian National Lok Dal. But we are quite sure that the BJP in the state would get slammed for this.